The breath, if you allow it, changes you. And it creates a new picture, a new way of coloring things. Don't you want that? I do. I love it. I love it. I can't stand it. It's so exciting. Woohoo! Hello, hello, hello. I'm Marquita Waters, and I'm a singer, a vocal coach, a songwriter, and an author. And I've had decades of experience. I've been on national TV. I've been signed to record labels. So I've had lots of successes. But there's also been problems. I had broken blood vessels, benign tumors on my vocal folds. Doctors even caused a growth on my vocal folds. But fast forward to now, and I'm singing strong in my voice and my life. So I want to give you practical help so that you can discover your voice, unleash all of your singing talent, and not strain with your voice and with your life, because singing is for a lifetime. So I want to help you sing through it all. Let's get started. So this one is part 2. I'm adding in pauses for a breath. So how important is a pause and breathing? If you're a singer and or for a speaker, you talk before your song. So it's really important that you are very conscious of many things. And I'm going to go over them here. How many do I have? Ooh, I've got 5. Okay. So it creates interest. It creates interest in what you're saying. It gives your audience a time to imagine. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're a voiceover artist, you're doing a character, you're a preacher, a speaker, you're giving a talk, or you're introducing your song, or you're speaking to a crowd, you're doing an interview. There's many instances when you can slow yourself down, when you can have that pause, and then take a breath and readjust everything. So, creating an interest in what you're saying. See, it gives your audience a time to imagine. So, I was thinking of the name of that song, and I was talking to a friend, and actually, he had bad breath. But we kept talking, and then I went home and I kept thinking and mulling over, what's the name of that song, What can I say? I know. Bad Breath Baby. Yeah, oh my gosh. Okay. Muscles, number 2, it helps your muscles to readjust. Breath gives your muscles a chance to realign. Now, I said this in the last video, and if you haven't seen that video, will you go over there and see this video, because it's really important. It's mostly about singing, but it's going to apply with whether you're speaking or not. You got to take a breath. Okay, so the alignment is not only, like I said, it's not only with your vocal muscles, but it's with the rest of the body. So now you can move your body in a different position, but you realign and readjust your muscles, the whole body, and everything can change, just like that. Number 3, tensing up. Take a longer breath when you can. Because if you're tensing up when you're talking, or when you're singing, or when you're doing a character, it's going to come through in your voice. You know that, right? So you have to be very careful, and a breath will give you a chance to slow down if you're rushing. So I was through the crowd, and I kept pushing through them, and my gosh, I couldn't make it to the front, and finally I did, and I was looking to see, and oh my gosh, you know what? I made it to number 1 on the charts. See? Okay? I was right there, and he went, what the heck happened? So now, I didn't slow down per se right there, But I'll show you other instances where I will slow things down. But you can do that too. Oh, I made it to number 1 in the charts. Oh, wow. See there. So I did it that time. Okay. So number 4, the audience comes back. It grabs their attention. You don't know where and what has been happening to your audience. You know, maybe they had a bad day. Maybe they had a great day, and they're over there texting about it to everybody they know. You know, it could be any emotion that they're having, but a lot of times they'll stray from you. And so you want to grab their attention. And what did I say here? Grab their attention. You know. Oh, you know, I was singing so badly in that song, and you know, I might be, I'm saying something like just off the cuff. I was singing so badly, and then you know what happened? Do you know? Do you? They stopped texting. Okay, really good. Now, kind of a weird example. I couldn't find one that I thought was like appropriate right there, because I used to do that when I was singing. I grabbed their attention. So, what can I say? But you get the idea. That pause and that breath, your audience will come back to you. When I was over there climbing on the mountain, I thought about exactly how Moses must have felt. He was on the mountain. And then he saw God. You know, it's a smaller pause, but you can take a bigger one. You can find an example. You know what I'm talking about here. The pause is so important. And then you take a breath, because a breath is like a hiccup. You got to take it right before you speak. Very important. Don't pause and then keep going. You've got to pause and then keep going. But the breath is important to take there. Hiccup. Number 5, improves delivery. You can change your expression. And you've already heard that in what I said. You know, it changed the emphasis from upset to calm. You heard that. New feeling, upsets, you know, like with a few breaths there. So, okay, so the same list. Okay. I was so excited. I ran to see what was happening, and oh my gosh, you know what? Oh my gosh. I did. I got the part. You know? I got the job. I got the job. And your voice can even go down, or you have many breaths. I think I have an example here. Yes. I was so mad. I had every right to tell him what I was saying. He just made me so upset. But, you know, I know I shouldn't have. I shouldn't have said it like I did, though. I should have, you know, thought about what I was going to say. Or maybe not say anything at all and wait for a little while. But I didn't. Okay, so I had many breaths. I had different expression. You know, I was going through a whole collage of feelings. And you can even do it even better than I was doing it right here off the cuff. So yes, it slows you down. And especially when you're introducing a song. And I have so many people that'll come that are doing auditions, and they're rushing through their name. Hi, I'm Marquita Waters. And I'm going to sing a song for you right now. It's like, are you serious? Hi, I'm Marquita Waters. And I love to sing this song for you. I paused, I took a breath, and I said, love to sing a song for you. Not, I'm Marquita Waters. So when you give your name, don't slide through it. Make sure they hear you. And then pause so you make sure that they take it in. Because it's really important. It's who you are, right? It's your name. You want them to remember. Okay. So it helps your body with expression. And so you saw that with me. I held my breath, and then I thought. I pulled my body down and I relaxed my body. I tensed it and then relaxed. That was all with the pausing, with the breathing. It caused all of that to happen. Okay, so, okay. I'm going to read this for you. And I'm going to read it without really thinking of pausing, just read it through. And then I'm going to read it for you, taking pauses and thinking about what I'm saying, okay? And this is part of my song, I Will Not Grow Weary, which, oh my gosh, which is the name of this book. Okay? She's sitting over there. She's always sitting over there. All that stands before me can't compare with what I know is true. My mind plays tricks on me, tells me I'm all alone. My mind plays tricks on me, tells me all my opportunities are gone. Then I shake off this madness and remember I wrote this song. Now I'm going to take pauses. All that stands before me can't compare with what I know is true. My mind plays tricks on me, tells me I'm all alone. My mind plays tricks on me, tells me all my opportunities are gone. Then I shake off this madness. And I remember, I wrote this song. I felt totally different. And I can change it even more. You know, my mind plays tricks on me. It tells me that I'm all alone. My mind plays tricks on me. It tells me all my opportunities are gone. Then I shake off this madness, and I remember I wrote this song. You know, the breath, if you allow it, changes you. And it creates a new picture, a new way of coloring things. Don't you want that? I do. I love it. I love it. I can't stand it. It's so exciting. Woohoo! Okay, so now you stay with me this long and I showed you my book. Guess what? I want to give you a present. I offered it on the last one too, but I'm offering it to you now. You may have not seen that last video. So, and even if you did, get one for your friend, okay? So go to marquitawaters.com and get your free ebook. Go to the contacts and put your information in and then write book in the message, okay? I'll send it right out to you. And remember, it is so important for you to be the best you can be. Not just somewhat, but the best. So, ring that bell. Be the best. Subscribe. What can I say? I've got lots to give to you. And leave me a comment. Tell me what you want to talk about. Tell me what you need. Love to hear from you. Okay? Because it's such a day. Such a mighty fine day. Oh, such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Love it. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye, 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 bye.